What's up guys, and welcome to the 17th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about if-else statements. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is go to your SRC package, right click this, go new, and then make a class and call this class test again, and then take this off and then do finish, and then go right to the top and remove all this garbage. And now we can type in x equals 30. Close that off, move on to the next line and type in if x is less than 20. We can say with some curly braces and then system out print x is less than 20. After this, we can now say else curly braces system out print again x is more than 20. Okay, so we can now run and compile this and see what happens. So if I save this, execute this, it says x is more than 20. If I change this to 10, compile it again, it says x is less than 20. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.